Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making orange chicken. You will need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 2 teaspoons of sea salt, and canola oil for frying. For the sauce, you'll need 1.5 cups of water, 4 tablespoons of orange juice, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2/3 cups of rice vinegar, 5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, and the zest of 1 orange. Zest the orange and grate your ginger, then set them aside until later. Now slice and mince the garlic, then juice your orange. Make sure you have thoroughly cleaned your thighs and removed any excess fat. Now cut them into small, bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken in a large bowl, then season with the salt and pepper. Now add the egg, then mix until your chicken is well coated. Now add the cornstarch and flour and mix until all your pieces have been well coated. In a large pan, add the canola oil, then using medium-high heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now fry your chicken in small batches for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, remove them from the oil, then set them aside until later. In a separate pan, add the water, orange juice, lemon juice, and soy sauce. Now add the brown sugar, ginger, and garlic, then mix until your brown sugar has dissolved. Now add the orange zest and red pepper flakes, then bring the liquid to a light simmer. Add the sesame oil and cornstarch, Then whisk until your cornstarch has dissolved. Allow your sauce to reduce by 1/3, then add the chicken to the pan. Generously coat the chicken with the sauce, then cook for an additional 2 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello.